So if you want to be a web developer, then learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript is a must. And in this video, I'm going to show you what they can do. Hey everyone, this is Pavel. If you're new here, then click the button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hypertext Markup Language, otherwise known as HTML, is a builder class. He has a variety of skills available, which includes defining content, text, showing images, links, and being a badass. This is what Instagram looks like. This is what Instagram looks like with just HTML. So this is where CSS comes in. Cascading Style Sheets, otherwise known as CSS, is a designer class. She makes things look beautiful. She can customize everything on the internet, starting from changing the color white all the way to 50 shades of gray. Her skills include outlining the colors, the fonts, and positioning the content. This is what Facebook looks like without CSS. And this is what it looks like with CSS. Last but not least, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is the wizard class. JavaScript makes the internet more dynamic and brings websites to life. His skills include popping up error messages, auto-completing the search engine, changing HTML attributes, changing the CSS style, and making the world a better place to live. So here are 3 things to remember about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 1. When we combine all 3 of these languages together, we make up the front end of the internet. This is what you see when you open a website, opposed to the back end of the internet, which makes an application work on the internet. 2. The web browser that you use turns this into this. So without a web browser, these languages are trash. No, they're not. 3. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are always evolving. They're kind of like Pokemons. Right now, the current versions are HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript 1.8.5. Some cool things you can make with these are static web pages, mobile apps, desktop apps, online games. You can make websites like e-commerce sites, tribute web pages, corporate websites, entertainment websites, and a whole bunch of other websites. So there you have it. If you've done any cool things with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, comment down below and smash that like button. Until next time, and keep playing games during quarantine cause it's good for you.